I'm gonna start my car. Turn that shit off. What? What? Turn that shit off. We need to talk about something. Why here, bro? Why? I'm just trying to go home and get some food. Can you stop beeping? I'm not gonna stop beeping. Cause you a bitch, bro. I swear to God. You are acting unusual. Like, what do you want to talk about? I saw you with that girl. I saw you with that girl, and I don't appreciate that. What girl, bruh? You know how I feel about that. You know how I feel about you. I just don't know. I don't know anymore. I just don't know. We're not exclusively dating. Like, it's not like I have any commitments to you. You told me yourself you don't want to make this official, so it's like, I know, but I still just want it to be me and you. Well, that's not fair, because if you want it to be me and you, it has to be official. Like, I've been trying to tell you that I want to date you. I like you, but you don't let things get that far, and it's just, shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. You shut the fuck up, stupid bitch. Oh, so now I'm a bitch, huh? So now you think that I'm a bitch? I'll show you a bitch. Can we just go home, bro? I just wanted to go home and eat some food. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. You're not even that new, bro. You kind of old. 2007, ugly looking at boy. You did not just call me old. You did not. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You know you're my baby. Shut the fuck up. Can we go home? Can we go home? Not until we talk about this. All right, guys. Well, we're home. I don't know. Don't worry about her, guys. She's just, it might be that time of month, honestly. Put the camera on me. He just manhandled me. He turned me on when I didn't want to be turned on. He touched me when I didn't want to be touched. He drove me all the way home. This is not okay, Evan. I thought we were done with this. I thought we were done with this. I don't want to fight with you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You mean that? Yes. Get the fuck away from me. You've changed. You really have. When we first started talking, everything was great. We were both always happy. And now look at what happened to us. You've changed. I knew I was right all along. Right about what? Right about what? I just want the best for us. You're acting unusual. Oh, yeah? Well, what's that at your front door? I saw it when we were riding up. There's a box at your front door. Again.